Hey guys, welcome to the live stream. Today we're going to be analyzing Tesla. This is obviously just a preview of what we're going to be doing. I would say, there we go. Alright, so right now we're trying to consolidate on the $520 level. Quite interesting. Let's go to the 30 minutes. I'm just briefly checking out if live stream is working correctly, so just give me one sec. Alright, I think what needs to happen now is for you guys to hit the thumbs up right now so everybody can see this live stream, so we can start with this analysis right away. This live stream will probably be a live stream where I'll be analyzing different kind of stocks. So we're going to start with Tesla, we're going to do NIO, we're probably also going to be doing Palantir, Workhorse, and Apple, and AMD. So this is going to be a very exciting live stream. Make sure you let everybody that watches the channel know what we're gonna be doing, so they can watch this with us. Also, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be grabbing a pillow real quick. There we go. That's gonna help my back quite substantially. There we go. Alright, I think that should be fine. All I need to do now is to check the live chat. Yo, welcome Selman, Derek, Marco, Pedro, Bala. Welcome to the live stream, guys. Yeah, we're gonna do everything. Yeah, we're gonna do Tesla, we're gonna do NIO, we're gonna do everything. I have added more to my short position on NIO at $54. It's going up rapidly, of course, because there's just a lot of positive news about EV stocks at the moment. So NIO is going along. There's nothing that actually changed for NIO. It's just literally going up because of hype. At this point in time, I would say NIO is in a bubble, like at the upper edge of the bubble. It's about to implode, so, but it's gonna happen very soon. Let me just check if everybody got the link. Let me just blow this up one more time. Live stream for Tesla stock, for Tesla, NIO, Palantir, Apple, Workhorse. Okay, we're almost ready to begin. We just need some more people to join so that everybody gets to see this. The microphone is working fine, so that's great. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, honestly, the only answer that I can give to Andromeda, nice name, like I say in almost every video, I say this: when the fundamentals change, the technicals change. If Tesla gets included into the S&P, that is bullish for NIO, right? That is bullish for all EV stocks. Tesla is the mother of EV, right? If Tesla goes up massively, they all go up massively. So if the fundamentals change, the technicals change. So if one day I'm like, hey, this is not going to be breached, I always say that if the fundamentals change, the technicals will change. And we have so many scenarios where this was the case. You can't really put the fault at me. If there's so much fundamental news coming out, what can I say? The technicals are pointing to a correction. Still, I believe NIO will correct. I still believe it because the technicals are telling us we're still going to get a correction. It's just going to be delayed. Yeah, I'm also waiting for that pullback to $30 to $35, and I still think it's gonna happen. It's just delayed. Honestly, it's just postponed. Look at that. Look at this move. Is this a healthy move? Honestly, does this look like a move that just happens every day? It doesn't. You see, this is overbought. Let me just show you the daily chart. We're still in overbought territory. This is dangerous. Stocks don't stay in this area. They just don't. So we're just waiting for that trigger, and then it collapses. But yeah, for now it looks. I would hold off on buying NIO. It's at the all-time high. Back to Tesla, because we're going to be doing Tesla right now. NIO will come later. I'll also do NIO. Just hold on. But the thing is, you guys got to keep this... excuse me. What you got to keep in mind is that if a stock could go up 10%, right? Would you want to get in? Yes, sure. If it goes 10% up, sure. However, would you want to get into a stock that goes up 10%, but after that 10% upwards move, it goes down 50%? No, right? Because you could potentially lose 50% of your money. So that's what I'm saying. Don't get into NIO right now. There is a potential 40 to 50% correction coming for NIO. That's why I'm saying it. I still don't believe that NIO is safe at the moment. I just don't buy it at all. It's going up 10% every day. That is not healthy. That is literally bubble territory. Hey guys, we can almost begin with this. I'm going to be looking at your comments, the positive and the negative ones, because I don't want to be biased. No market crash. No market crash. Still waiting for... I do think by Wednesday to Thursday, we could see some negativity on the stock market, which is going to bring everything down. Maybe 5% or something. 3 to 5%. It depends. Every stock goes down a little differently than other stocks. Gara, what's up? I'm fine. How are you guys doing? You are a machine. Do not rest. What is the secret? What is my secret? I just love what I'm doing. I love to give guidance and make videos. Yeah, NIO could go down while Tesla goes up. So that is a possibility, yeah. There is, yeah. Someone says, look, it will go to $65 to $70, and we'll do a correction to 50. I highly doubt it. But who knows? Maybe. I highly doubt it, though. But it could, maybe, I think there's something desperately fraudulent about NIO. It just doesn't add up. I don't know. I don't think it's a fraud necessarily. It's just very hyped up. What is your outlook on gold? I think gold is gold is going to go up a lot. Powell just sent a donation of £2. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Harry, what is your outlook on gold? Okay, Ted says, so is it good to sell NIO now? I think if you're holding NIO and you have it depends. If you want to hold NIO long term, I would not sell. If you want to cash in some profits on the short term, yeah, sure, why not? Palantir is not a good buy today. Yasin says you're the GOAT. I'm a human being, but thank you. Gar, have you had a haircut? It looks neat. Yeah, I did. I hope you guys like it. Xpeng. So should I sell? Xpeng is going to come down so much. I'm just going to say it right now. It's going to come down a lot. Bitcoin. I don't think Bitcoin is better than gold. My number one short suggestion is it would probably be Xpeng. Either Xpeng or NIO. Xpeng, NIO, or Palantir. Just for the short term. Maybe coming 2 weeks. And then after that, go bullish. I wouldn't short Tesla, though. Tesla's looking fine. What about Ride? Is it still going up? I think Ride has just a tiny amount of bullishness left until it comes down. Couple percentage points. XPV or Liao. Okay, cool. We're going to cover everything. If you want me to start the analysis right away, hit the thumbs up right now so everybody can see the live stream. So everybody... I I want everybody to be here so nobody misses out on the live stream. So make sure you hit the thumbs up right now. And I want to start right away. I hope you guys want to start right away. So make sure you do that. If you're not subscribed, subscribe right now. The button is right there. It takes 2 seconds. So make sure you subscribe. You'll be notified for all the most awesome live streams that you'll ever see around stocks. So make sure you do that. And I want to start with this Tesla analysis right away, but I can't because I need everybody to be here. We got 9,000 subscribers, and we need as many people in this live stream so that we can. We got a lot of time until market close, so that's also very nice. I'm starting the live stream earlier than usual today. Let's see what the 30 minutes doing. I mean, it's literally going as projected. Like, honestly, we said we would go towards the $600. We said we would hit the $520 and then come back down to the $515 and then go back upwards to the $540. I think that's definitely going to be the case. Or like, either we get a small correction to the downside to the $510 and then bounce, or we just keep going. But I'm going to have to share the link real quick into the Discord right now. And then we're probably going to start right away, honestly. I see that a lot of people are liking the video, which is great. I think we're gonna speed up the process. Tesla live stream now. Okay, so hold on. All right, so I just want to say something. Right? In this live stream, we're going to be covering Tesla, NIO, Palantir, Workhorse, XPeng, Apple, AMD. We're going to do them all, right? We're going to do all of them. All I'm asking is that you hit that thumbs up so that everybody can see this live stream, so nobody misses out, because I'm not going to be uploading anything during this time frame that I'm doing the live stream. So it is crucial that you guys hit the thumbs up right now so everybody could see it. It's your duty. It's your ethical duty to do this so that everybody we know that usually is there in the live streams can join. And on top of that, if you're not subscribed, make sure you do. We're heading to the 10K subscriber mark. How awesome would that be if we could hit that 10K mark? Pretty awesome, right? So subscribe right now. And I think we're ready. I'm going to be filling up this gas. I'm going to be filling up this glass real quick. And then, you know what? I'm not going to fill it up. I'm going to start right away. Why fill it up, right? I mean, I already had some water. There was some water left in the glass, so I think we're ready. Oh, we have another $5 donation. Can you do the Workhorse chart analysis? Yeah, I will be doing that. Thank you for the donation, Yasin. Very ethical, I know, right? Okay. It would be ethical for me to start. But first, usually, before I start the analysis, I do some pre-analysis. So I just look at the chart, I just stretch it out. And I just look at what is happening currently. And I try to make sense of it, right? So we had a surge, right, on news. We had a correction. We had another surge, correction. And then we went sideways. We were consolidating at the $500. Basically, this was happening because we had gone to the overbought. We didn't have any news. If we had positive news, we would have surged again. But instead, we were consolidating at this price range because people are getting used to the fact that we're at this price range. So you can see that the MACD started becoming less volatile. And right, you see this whole area, the MACD was negative on the 30 minutes. Generally speaking, we see a bullish move after that. And this was the bullish move. And honestly, I expected it a little bit more. I expected us to go to the 538. But it could still happen. I think we've seen this before. Yeah, no, it doesn't really look like that move. Hold on, I'm just trying to find a place in the MACD that we had seen a similar move. It seems like this move was quite similar. This one right here. Yeah, it looks really similar, actually. This one. So that was like, when did it start? Approximately right there. And this move was approximately 392 to, I would say, 428. So that's like $36, $37. And how much did we move with this move right here? 489. Oh, that's very similar. Where was this again? Wait, oh my god, I lost it. Did I lose that point? This is smaller. Okay, so, oh, sweet. So this does look very, very similar. That is insane. It's the same amount of, it's the same move. Even the RSI is looking similar, right? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that could be a reference point. Okay, so right after that move, we saw a consolidation before seeing another move like $10, right? Which is exactly where this resistance is. All right, so I think we're already consolidating, so it looks so similar to the other move. I would say I think I know what's gonna happen next. I don't think it's gonna look exactly like that move, but it's so incredibly similar, and usually the past does repeat itself. Yeah, I mean, that's fantastic. All right, so let's assume that this part could still happen, and then this one is like, yeah, maybe not, but this will most likely still happen though. So okay, so that would mean, hold on, I've got a runny nose a little bit. So, but guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up. I see we have 220 people in the live stream right now. If everybody would hit the thumbs up right now, we could reach everybody that is subscribed, and then everyone can watch this while we're streaming, because I'm not going to be uploading anything during the time that I'm streaming, and some people will miss out if we don't let them know. So make sure you hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. That is your ethical duty. Okay, so I would say this was a really nice line that we drew. Honestly, it looks perfect. It looks absolutely perfect. I don't know how we did this. It's just witchcraft. Like, honestly, it's just fantastic. So far, we've been quite correct on Tesla. I did one mistake with NIO. It's just that I underestimated the EV hype. I think that is definitely something I did, but I think we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Okay. I'll have to delete this. Or I'll just do this. Yeah. It's still possible. Yeah, okay, cool. That's definitely possible. Are we ready, guys? Guys, are we ready? Are we ready, guys? My boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. We are ready. Yes, okay, cool. We are ready. Fantastic. Okay, so I usually do want to say beforehand that guys, if you don't know who I am, my name is Gara. I am Lucid Trading, and I create videos about your favorite stocks and give you the best analysis possible, the best guidance, and I do this every single day, 8 to 10 hours a day. So I do this for you guys. All I'm asking back is for you guys to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It only takes 2 seconds, so make sure you do. And without further ado, let's start the analysis for Tesla stock. Oh, we're first going to start with Tesla, and then we're going to do NIO, and then we're going to do Palantir, Workhorse, AMD, and then Apple. Okay? Xpeng will probably be in there too, so yeah. One more time. About to begin. All right. still live. Everything is fine. Webcam is fine. Okay. Where do I usually place this? Let's just place it there. Yeah, my watch. This is Samsung Galaxy Watch. It's empty. No battery. So sad. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be analyzing Tesla stock for the 23rd of November, Monday. This is going to be the first trading day of the week, and it's very exciting. As you can see, Tesla has been surging quite nicely to the upside. Like we said, Tesla to $600. Here we come. Before we start with this analysis, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. We're trying to reach 10,000 subscribers, so that would be great. All right, without further ado, let's just start with this analysis. I would say that Tesla has had a great run, an absolutely ballistic run, since the after hours / pre-market level, which was around 490. I think at some point 490 to about 497. And from 497, we had a run to approximately a high of 525. This was an all-time high. Absolutely beautiful. Like we said, this could potentially go to 520 and then 538 and then come back. We've said this several times. Now, I initially believed that the markets could be a little bit negative, making Tesla come down a bit. But I also said that, like, if there's no negativity, then obviously we're just going to run right away. I didn't even have a bearish scenario because there is none. It's just very positive for Tesla. There's just good news coming out. There are many bullish catalysts for Tesla, and still there is much more upside to come. But I would say that right now we're sitting in the overbought. I drew this last time, obviously. I think I had something like this well, that was my plan for it to go up like that. You can see this is the bullish channel for Tesla stock. What I think potentially could be happening is we could see a run up to $538 to the $540 level, and then most likely we'll see a bit of a consolidation and correction to the downside, maybe to the 508 before we have another surge. So we could see an intermediary top, which could be like honestly could look a little bit more like this, if anything, and then we have another surge to the $560 level. This could happen this week, I would say. You see the MACD, I already drew it, and I already drew the RSI. I think that could be quite similar. However, this is just based off of the 30 minutes. We're going to have to take a look at the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily before we make any conclusion. So let's go to the 1 hour. I have a runny nose. I have a cold. This is so annoying. Excuse me, guys. Guys and girls. I saw that about 11% of my audience is female. So, hello, ladies. Welcome. I didn't know that there were so many women and girls just interested in stocks, but it's quite nice. Hold on, I'm checking the live chat real quick. Okay, so let's head over to the 1 hour, right? All right. So it's looking quite nice. Somebody said, "Don't look for a girlfriend here." Why? Because they're gold diggers? No, I'm joking. I'm just joking. Just kidding. Oh man, that's just great. All right, without further ado, guys, let's be serious. I can't even have a straight face now. That you guys ruined it. Okay. Oh. Okay, so let's let's continue. Let's continue. Oh gosh. Okay, so I'm just cracking up. Yeah, so we had consolidation there. Wait, I just want to briefly look at this again. Okay, so... Oh, okay, cool. Okay. I think there's a possibility that we're going to consolidate a little longer. Was I paused? Yeah, I'm paused. Alright, so on the 1 hour we can see that we're kind of consolidating around the $520 level, and I think this could actually keep consolidating before we see any kind of move, because you can see that the MACD is not actually, it's looking kind of sideways, right? It's not looking like it's going to see a sharp bullish move. It's looking like it's going to go sideways. So that could potentially mean we'll see something like this and then spike to the 538, 539, and then after that I could see a as I said, a correction down to the $516 to the $15 before seeing ourselves surge. But because the time frame is going to be key here, right? We don't necessarily know when the surge is going to happen. So for now, let's just say that this will happen, that we'll see some consolidation at this $520 to $517, $516 level before seeing an upturn to the $538. Let's just say that something like this could be possible. This could look like this on the RSI, right? Could go down just briefly and then see a sharp spike and then come back down just like that before seeing another upturn. And the MACD could look a little bit like this and then like that. So I would say this could very well be the case for the hourly, and after that obviously we'll see the $560. It will also depend on the market, because I believe this could be possible, but then after that we're going to see a huge downturn. You know why? I was looking at the S&P 500 and I kind of think it's going to go kind of bearish after Wednesday, which is going to be beyond the 25th of November. So the 26th and 27th of November could be bearish. So maybe we'll have a top at 560. And, well, it's going to depend, right? Because, yeah, I mean, it could be possible that that could be the top. So I'm just going to be conservative and say we're going to top out at around the $560 level. And who knows what could happen after that. But for now, let's just say the 560, maybe it's going to be 600, but I don't know right now. I'm looking at the 1 hour chart, so that's that. So I would see ourselves go to the 538, come back down to the 516, 517, and then surge all the way to the $560, $550 level before coming back down quite rapidly to the downside. And yeah, that would probably be my best estimate for the 1 hour. So let's go to the 4 hours now. All right, so checking what's happening here. Some people are here for the comedy. The comedy. I'm doing technical analysis, and some people are here for the comedy. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, my short position on NEO is burning to the ground. But I think I am still standing firm that NEO will burn to the ground. But short term, right? I think long term it's beautiful. It's fantastic. But for right now, I would say stay away from that. It's not worth the juice. It's not worth the squeeze. I don't know. something like that. So yeah, it's looking quite similar as back then. If we would compare, we would be right around here. This move to the upside, approximately. Wait, I'm gonna have to zoom this out properly. Yeah, okay, so we bounce off of this level. It looks so similar. Look at that. Wow. I don't know what to say. Yeah, like I said, we're going to go up and then see a correction. And it seems like that is exactly what happened there as well. We went up and then we had a correction. This was approximately, I'll see that happen most likely. And yeah, okay. Cool. Very cool. Nice. Oh yeah, so the stocks I'm gonna talk about, obviously right now we're doing Tesla. After this is gonna be NIO, Palantir. We're also going to do a Workhorse. We're gonna do Ride, AMD, Apple, Xpeng. So stay tuned, guys. This is gonna be one lit live stream. Did I pause? I did pause. Okay, cool. Cool. All right, we're looking at the 4 hours for Tesla stock. And I think what's going to happen is going to be very similar to what we saw at the stock split. Here, this little movement where you see right there is looking quite similar to that. So I don't think it's going to look much different. You can even see that the RSI looking quite similar. We have more upside than back then. So I would say a very similar move is going to happen, which is what happened here is that we had a upturn. We moved sideways and moved up slightly, and then we came back down. And I think that is exactly what's going to happen for Tesla stock, right? What did we say, guys? Remember? Sideways, then go up, and then come back down, and have an upturn to approximately $560, and then come back down again. Now, will this be the end? Well, back then, it wasn't. We had a correction. Yes, that's true. But that was not it. That was just the beginning, right? We know that from history. So this could come down to approximately, I would say, the $515 level, $517. And then we see another bounce to the upside, right? Okay, so let's just say around the $600 level. But for now, yeah, I mean, it's going to be a big move, right? This one will be very big. Let's just draw it again. Something like this. Yeah, that could be a possibility. Obviously, it looks a little weird. Let me just fix it a little bit. But yeah, I think what's going to happen is like we said on the 1 hour and the 30 minutes, but then on top of that, you could just say that we're going to have a huge downturn to approximately where we came from, right around the 516, 520, and then after that, we'll see a surge to the $600. This would look a bit like this on the RSI MACD. And then a break, and let me just move that. Like this, just like that, and then surge, come back down, surge all the way. Similar to what we saw right there. Very, very similar, I would say. And the MACD would go just like that. Something like that, right? All we really care about is the price movement right here. MACD is just to give us like some knowledge. So, all right, so I would say that would be it for the 4 hours. Looking quite bullish. Now let's go to the daily chart. Oh boy, let's go to the daily chart. I'm just gonna check the live chat real quick so you guys don't feel lonely. I mean, I bet looking at the chart the whole day can make you feel a bit alone. I really don't think that. Sorry, guys. Checking a live chat. Yeah, everything is fine. People are really hyped up about EV stocks. Wow. Surprise, surprise. That is interesting. I think the Neo stock video that is gonna be coming up is gonna be interesting. I think the Neo live stream is gonna be let's just say it in one word: controversial. Yeah. So that's yeah. I'm not gonna say anything. It's gonna be quite controversial. What am I doing? No. I don't want text. No text, please. Alright, cool. Remember, guys, I said buy at $380, and look at where we are. Look at where we are at right now. It's beautiful. The beauty of technical analysis is just, it's unfathomable. Technical analysis. We're looking at the daily chart, and guys, remember when I said that you should buy at $380? There's a video. There are a couple of videos where I say this. Guys, 380, super cheap. It's gonna go to 600. We've said this many times, and look at that. We're sitting at $520. That is absolutely beautiful. I think a lot of people actually listened, and to those people, my hat goes off to you guys. It's wonderful. But yeah, looking at the daily, I think we have a lot of space to the upside left. We can go to the overbought for quite some time, just like we did in the past. Like right there. I think it's going to look quite similar, and we're going to see a downturn that's going to be very insane, right? So I would expect this to go up just like that, and then come back down, something similar to that. I can't predict what's going to happen 1 month from now, but obviously it will be very bullish. And I said that we could potentially even see to $700 in an extreme bullish case, and then come back down all the way and go sideways and go up again for earnings and something like that, you know. I would say, obviously, this is a very bullish case. I mean, this is like if nothing goes wrong and everything goes perfect, right? But you never know. I think it could definitely be a scenario where Tesla just surges all the way. No bad news, just good news. Many catalysts. We got earnings. We got the Q4 deliveries. We got the full self-driving coming out. We got many things that will drive Tesla upwards. Along with the stock market being super bullish, that is also going to help a lot. So maybe we'll reach $700. We don't know it yet. We don't know what the technicals look like for the 4 hours by then. So we'll be doing the analysis every single day and follow up. So maybe at some point I'm like, yeah, we're going to go to $700 for sure. But right now I'm saying maybe. It could be. I don't know. It does look like we're going to go to the $600 for sure. So we'll be looking forward to that. We can see this right here. We have a lot of space left for the bullishness. We have many candles or bullish candles left. Lots of space on the MACD to be going upwards, just like here. There's loads of volume. It's just not going to be the similar amounts. It's not a similar amount of volume to what we've seen right there, so it might be a bit questionable. I think that could, if there is enough volume, we could see the 700. If not, we'll just see the $600, which will be fine, right? That's perfect. All right, so let's go to the 30 minutes and draw the pattern for the coming time. All right, Dan. What's Palantir doing real quick? 20.2. What is happening? I bet there was some news coming out. Markets are not even that bullish. Oh yeah, there was news coming out. Yeah, I remember there was news coming up that Palantir would, like, that's what I'm saying. If the fundamentals changed and the technicals changed, and then like I can just throw the analysis in the garbage bin for the short term and we create a new one, because that's the reason why we analyze the stock every day, because every day there could be something that could change the technicals. Like there's a vaccine news that was coming out that was relevant for Palantir, so Palantir surged all the way up. Just briefly gonna check the live chat real quickly before we do anything. Apple is falling. Well, that's a great buying opportunity, I would say. I think Apple's looking pretty sweet. I mean, apples usually are sweet. Yeah, we will do. Okay, so for people that don't know, we're gonna do the 30 minutes in a second. I'm just gonna share the link on the Discord real quick. Oh, hold on. Once I've shared the link, we're gonna start the 30 minutes. Then we're gonna do Neo, which is gonna be really interesting. All right. I think I should just start right away, right? It's like, so we're going to start with the 30 minutes analysis, and I think Tesla's going to drop all the way. That would be just hilarious. Imagine that. It's like, and I would just scroll all the way down, so it's just going to keep dropping. No, I'm kidding. That's not going to happen. Obviously, that's not going to happen. Would be really crazy, though. Imagine that. Like, I think that could happen if Elon Musk would tweet, "I quit, I'm done, I'm not going to be CEO anymore." That is going to drop just like that. Ugh. Would be nasty, though. All right, I think I'm ready. Yeah, cool. Now, we're looking at the 30 minutes for Tesla stock. We're going to be starting right away. So I would say that, like what I said, I think there could be some consolidation before we see an upturn to 537, 538. See resistance right there. Potentially have a short-term correction, maybe coming down to the 517. However, it could also look a little bit more like this. And then we go to the 538 and come back down to approximately 517, 516, and then bounce off to go to the 560s. So this could be what we could see. And I think the consolidation is more likely than not, because we've seen another bullish move. Generally speaking, we see consolidation just like there. And yeah, I think this could very well be the case. And then we see an upturn just like that before coming down, which would mean going up just like that. And then there we go. And then another bullish turn for the $560, which would mean that the MACD would go something like this. All right, so I think that could be very possible. And well, after that, we'll probably see another correction just like that. Probably all the way down. Honestly, hold on. So something like this, and then going upwards again. So that would be my analysis for Tesla stock. I think what could change is if we are very bullish, we'll just go up right away. I don't think that's going to happen. If we're bearish, I don't think we're going to be bearish, honestly. But if we're bearish, we could go to 495 again. I don't think it's going to happen. I think the neutral case is going to happen. Some consolidation around this level, get comfortable with this level, and then we go up to the 538, correct again, and then we go up to approximately $560. So that would be it for the Tesla analysis, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys did enjoy it, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, guys. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate it. And check out the social media. We have an Instagram, a TikTok, and a Twitter. Links are going to be down below in the description, along with the Discord link if you want to join the Lucid Traders. So there's also a Patreon link if you want to support the channel and show some love. I share buy and sell signals there. We can do counseling there, and there are you can get early access to the content, so you can check that out as well. All the links are in the description. Guys, have a very, very nice day, and I'll be seeing you very soon. All right, so that was the Tesla video. We're going to do Neo next. And, hold on. So, Neo is going to be next. Obviously, I'm going to have to change the title and everything, which I'll do really quickly. It just takes like 30 seconds, so. because we're not going to have a, what is it? All right, so my Neo analysis is this. No, that's ridiculous, but it would be kind of funny. Yeah, we did predict something like this, right? It didn't happen. Literally, the opposite happened. The last time we had such a move was right here. This looks very similar. But I would say that for now, let's just... Alright, let me just... grab some text. I find it so unfortunate that I can't just... Oh, there we go. Quick break will change thumbnail, title, and description. Alright, so the idea is I'm going to be changing everything about the live stream so you guys know that this is currently going to be a Neo live stream. We just did Tesla. We're going to do Neo now. Then we're going to do Palantir. Then we're going to do Workhorse. We're going to do Xpeng. We're going to do Ride, Apple, AMD. So for now, let's just say quick break, right? I think that should be fine. I will be muting myself, and this will be a quick break for me as well. Just take a breather and maybe even call somebody. But I think for now, I'm just going to be changing the title and description. I'll be back very soon. Hey, so I'm just looking at the chart right now. I'm just doing some pre-analysis. I'm actually doing the analysis in my head right now, so. This has to go bearish. It has to. There's nothing else. I mean, what else could happen? Honestly. This has to go bearish. Okay, so we're... Oh my gosh, what is going on with this stock? Yeah, okay, so I would say there is a little bit more upside. Because we did... So my assumption was that NEO would, like, not go above 51. And that after 51, I would change my stance. So hereby, I do change my stance. I think if this is going to go hyperbolic like this, there could be a little bit more upside before we see a major correction. So our previous case was wrong. But I do want to say, hold on, that the fact that Tesla's going up, and the fact that if Xpeng is getting some good news that makes NEO surge, well, that was our mistake, right? We did not think about those things. I was just looking at the charts, so people that pointed that out, you're correct. Like I said, fundamentals can change the technicals. I would say that, well, I mean, the technicals are looking quite bearish. There's not much upside. Like, hold on. Checking the live chat real quickly. I still believe it's going to go down, but the technicals, look, the technicals have been changed, right? Fundamentals impact the technicals, right? So I can see this right here, where we normally we would go bearish, right? We can even zoom in. We were about to go bearish right here. Then news came out, right? The markets were positive. Tesla was surging. And since NEO is correlated with Tesla, even if NEO is overbought, even if it's due for a correction, it does not matter. It will still go up. It will blindly go up. People will still buy NEO because Tesla's going up. Because the fundamental thesis for that is, if Tesla makes the EV pie bigger because people will like EVs more, that means that the same pie that NEO is in, the piece of the pie would get bigger as well. So that is the thesis. And that would mean we're going to search a little bit further. I think we're going to copy Tesla. But it does not necessarily mean that our bearish thesis is just gone. It is still there. It's just delayed. Like I said, we were right about this move. But I think we're also going to be getting this correction very soon. Although I could be wrong. I think we could just be topping out. I think it's still possible that we're just going to... Let's just say this. NIO could crash at any moment. Any kind of news could crash NIO at this moment. And it's going to go down fast. It's going to go down rapid. So if there's negative news around NIO, if there's like cars being recalled, software is not functioning, anything, this stock is going to become very cheap very fast. Still my thesis. I've not changed that. Only thing unchanged is that the time frame has been expanded. You can even see this expansion of the time frame for us to go bearish here. We see that we didn't go down here on the MACD. We actually bounced. Generally speaking, this does not happen. This only happens if there's like... I mean, look at that. Look, that looks so strange. It usually doesn't happen that way. But I think the difference is... Obviously, the S&P inclusion for Tesla is actually very bullish for NIO. And all the EV manufacturers, not only NIO is going up. If I could just get XPeng. XPeng went up 22%. Li Auto went up 11%. I don't know necessarily if they went up. They're all going up. And the reason is not necessarily because... they have fundamentally changed. No, it's because Tesla's going up rapidly. And because of XPeng having good news. So they're all correlated with each other. So yeah, I think NIO is just literally at any moment it could just drop. Just like that. Any moment. Any moment. We're in that stage right now. Yo, NIO can do anything. Honestly, at this point, I would say, yeah. I mean, it could just go down and then just go up again and then go down again. Honestly, I don't even think we have influence on this. I think institutions are buying NIO. I think it's not necessarily retail traders having any influence on this. The institutions are buying this. They're sort of like hedging against Tesla, as like if Tesla goes down. They got NIO, right? Which, I mean, honestly, we've been bullish for such a long period. It's like 2 months now. We've never been this bullish, have we? Only then. So, yeah, I think there's a correction coming and it's going to be very ugly. Still, we've not done the analysis yet. We're about to do the analysis, so... And what if there's no bad news about NIO in the near future? Will it go sideways or would it go down anyways? Well, I've seen circumstances. Okay, let's just say this. If there is no good news or if there is bad news, NIO is going to go down. Right? If there's no good news or if there's bad news, we're dead. Like, that would be the trigger. Because right now we're floating in the air. We don't have really strong support levels, like right here and right there. Those are strong support levels. This not necessarily. I mean, we're going up and down just like that, very volatile. So I'm saying this, like, I think we're literally floating on air. There's no substance behind this price. And we'll see this very soon. I'm not saying it's going to happen today. It could. It could happen today. It could happen tomorrow. We're going to check the analysis. We're going to analyze everything and see when this most likely will happen. I think this could most likely happen by the end of the week. That we see that correction happen. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm gonna do the analysis for NEO right now. So there we go. This is a double top. It's either that or this has some way more upside. Hold on, guys. Alright, so I would say that this looks a bit like it looks like this period of time. And even the MACD looks quite similar. I think we're going to create another top. The RSI looks similar. Yeah, but we're definitely more overbought than back then, though. So that is something I did notice. Yeah, it's bouncing again on the MACD. Like we've seen this before, right? Let me check. No, that does not look similar. Definitely. When have we seen this kind of movement before? So time will tell, right? But could this be that move? No, that's not that move. It's different, way different. Yeah, it looks more like this actually. And then we had some consolidation before we see that upwards momentum. It's a combination of the two. So that would suggest that there's some room left to the upside. Potentially. Let's just draw out the bullish case. Because like I said, fundamentals can change the technicals. And not only that, I said that if we go beyond $51, I will adapt to the circumstances. Because that would mean that we're actually not seeing the chart that we saw, that we thought we would see, which was something like this. And then go down. But you never know, I still believe that this is going to crash down very soon. I think NEO is going to be so cheap, nobody would want to own NEO. Let's just say that. I would not buy NEO right now. If you want to buy high, this is high, right? This is the all-time high. Then go ahead, buy NEO. But at this point, I would not touch NEO. Maybe later on. Maybe if it gets like a little cheaper, I'll get into NEO. But right now, no way. No freaking way. Even if it goes to $60, I would not touch anything. This is one to not touch for a while. If you're patient, I think you could see NEO go to like $35, $40 easily. Maybe even lower than that. Okay, so I think I already know what's gonna happen if there's no catalysts changing this. Yeah, this will be an intermediary top. That's what I would guess. Okay, so ready. Yeah, this would be intermediary top. I think consolidating is going to be very difficult at this level. There's not enough buyers for that to happen. There are too many people that want to sell at this level. Temporarily speaking, yeah, there will be buyers, right? That's why it's going up so fast. But like over time, people will sell off more than they buy. That's why we have these sharp corrections, because people don't want to own NEO at 54. They want NEO at $40. That's why it keeps coming down to the $40. That's the only reason. They think it's overpriced at 50. Yo, Gara, what do you think about investing into airlines? I think airlines right now, honestly, are quite a good investment. They're very cheap right now. The vaccine is going to be out. Once the vaccine is out, everybody's going to be traveling again. So, yeah, we're going to come on Palantir very, very, very soon. Just wait 1 second. I'm going to be sharing the link for the NEO live stream. And then we're going to begin. All right, I think we're ready. Okay, cool. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be analyzing NEO stock for the 23rd of November. This is going to be the first trading day of the week, so it's very exciting, obviously. And we're gonna mess up the intro of the video. Here we go again. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be analyzing NEO stock for the 23rd of November. And sometimes I mess it up like oh my god. Okay, so sorry guys, I'm really messing it up. Okay, so again, here we go. Gosh. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be analyzing NEO stock for the 23rd of November, the first trading day of the week. Now, before we start with this analysis, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, without further ado, let's start the analysis. So first off, I would like to say we were completely wrong. We were wrong. Right? We were wrong. Okay, why were we wrong? Well, we were wrong because we did not anticipate that the rise of Tesla would mean the rise of NIO. And that is exactly what's happening. Tesla went to $520. We did predict that such a thing could happen. I did not correlate these two directly, but they are directly correlated. So if Tesla goes up, then NIO goes up without any reason. We can see that. I can't show you right now, but XPeng went up, Lee Motors went up, BYD went up, Workhorse went up, Ride went up, Tesla went up. All the EV manufacturers went up while the NASDAQ is down, which is like, what? Right. So Tesla is dictating where the EV industry goes. And if Tesla goes up 5%, well, all the EV manufacturers are going to go up. So that is I guess, a very unfortunate mistake that I made. I should have thought about that. I think in the future I will be correlating stocks more often. If there's a big Papa stock out there, which is like the bigger stock in the industry, then I'll have to take a look at that one before I make any kind of prediction. I think I'll do that in the future. But for now, I would say our thesis, our bear thesis, is still intact. It's only going to be delayed. So that is how I am saving this right now. And I do believe this bear thesis is solid. It's absolutely solid, and the current EV hype and the EV craze and it's temporary. It's very, very temporary in nature. It's going to be a way. At some point, the sell-off will be so huge that not a single person would be thinking about buying NIO stock, and this is going to happen very soon. So let's start with this analysis right away. All right. I think NIO stock, currently at 54.78, is incredibly overvalued. Incredibly overvalued, because we see the RSI is overvalued, the MACD is overextended. We can see the MACD is about to come down, the RSI is about to come down. However, this does not necessarily mean that this rally is over. It does not mean anything is over yet. We can see very euphoric, sporadic rallies. This happened before, and this could happen again. I'm not going to call it top. However, we are looking like we're having a top. So I'm not going to call it out, but it does look like the RSI is topping out. So there is a possibility that we're going to see a sharp downturn, and it could happen at any moment. That's what I would like to say. A very sharp downturn coming at any moment. We don't know when. Something has to trigger it. I think lack of good news or bad news could trigger this. We don't know when. But for now, I would say we're going to be conservative. I think I'm not going to assume anything until we're going to see what's happening on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily chart. So the MACD would probably move something like this and then come down. The RSI probably something like this and then come down as well. This could be something we're going to see very soon. I don't know how this will look like in the price, because obviously this move could still mean that we're going to go up again. So we're going to have to take a look at the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and daily. So let's go to the 1 hour right now. Boy. Just briefly checking the live chat, see what's going on here. No, I'm not going to throw my analysis away because I think it's useful. It's going to be very useful. Okay, right now you can't see what's happening, but you'll see it very soon. Yeah, we're definitely seeing a top happen. Look at that. RSI at 83. Oh, jeez. All right, we're looking at the 1 hour for NIO stock. And on the 1 hour, it looks like we still have some juice left in the tank. We could still be going upwards even more than what we have been going upwards. However, I would like to say one thing. This surge that we had is primarily because Tesla went up. It has nothing to do with NIO. It has to do with Tesla. And if Tesla goes up massively, it means the EV market goes up massively, which NIO has a piece of the pie of, right? So if the market goes up, NIO goes up. That's the idea behind this surge. But this has this surge, right? Obviously based off of Tesla going up, but this surge right here was because of earnings. We had a catalyst. We had a solid catalyst for earnings. So I would say we're not going to see the same top. Why would we? Obviously, this is two different fundamental factors. I would say this could come down just like that. But it will also depend on Tesla. If Tesla goes down, which I think very soon we'll see a bit of a correction on Tesla's side. So I think the MACD is also going to come back down just like that. And this could be this could be a very sharp downturn. Let's just keep it that way, to approximately 49.5, bounce off, and then maybe even going down to, I would say, the $45. So still being bearish right now on NIO. It makes no sense to be bullish at this point. We had bullishness. We are oversold on or overbought on the RSI. So I think it would only make sense for us to be bearish at this point. All right, so let's head over to the 4 hours. Yeah, you're not going to be bullish if it's already run up like what? Whew, that's like more than 20, more than 25%, more than 30%. Okay, we've gone up 30%. Okay, so how can I be bullish on this? I can't. That would be just. I can't. No way. 4 hours. Hold on, guys. Got a message. Oh, interesting. Hitting the overbought zone. So that could be a top. Yeah, I think I want to call top. This was a top. That was a top. Temporary top. Why the hell not? I mean, we're going up like that. Yeah, about to top out. We have an all-time high. I think Tesla's going. Yeah, there we go. Tesla's going up, so NIO's going up. It's okay. It's like I don't know what to say about that. It's just weird at this point. Okay, so we're paused. Is there a possibility for a severe bounce? No. 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 We're definitely overextended. Way overextended. For Tesla, I would get it, but like for NIO, it's not necessarily the fact that I hate NIO or anything like that. Because I don't. Alright, so I think I'm going to start with the 4 hours now. We're now looking at the 4 hours for NIO stock. You can see we already hit an all-time high right now. We're going above the previous all-time high for NIO stock. You see that the MACD is jumping upwards just like that. And I would say that the RSI is rather overbought at this moment. We're just in the overbought right now. And I think what's noticeable is that we're like topping out, right? Usually around this RSI range, we see tops happen. And after that, we see huge crashes. Or I would say corrections, right? Let's just say corrections. So we could see a correction happen at any given time in this range of price, I would say. So if it goes up further, we could see another crash or correction like we've seen right there. or like we've seen here, or like we've seen there. It's going to be very steep. It's going to be 10, 20, 30%, maybe more. I mean, it's just going to look quite ugly. I think this could happen by midweek to the end of the week if there's no good news for NEO stock. Just there has to be no good news, and then this will happen. No good news will happen for sure. And if there's bad news, it's going to be very ugly. So I would say that right now the MACD is going upwards. It's trying to reach a top. It's trying to top out, and then after it has topped out, it's going to go down again, just like that. So this could look pretty much like this. Maybe go up just slightly more, and then probably correct all the way. Can we do that? Yeah, I think we can do that. It's just like that. Something similar to this could be possible at any point in time this week. Yeah, I mean, that's not even that much, relatively speaking. Relatively speaking, it's just a blip. It's nothing. I think after the correction, we'll see a recovery, right? And then see something very similar again. Downturn to approximately 38, and just keep going down until we'll see some hype for NEO Day, and then we'll surge back up again. So bearish mode is still intact. I think once NEO goes to $60 and above, then I will stop being bearish and something else is happening. But right now we're still close to that all-time high, so I'm not buying it right now. So we're at overbought zones, MACD overextended, and we're going to show you the 1 day right now. So let's go to the 1 day. Well, 1 day is going to be, that's problematic. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. What's happening to Palantir? I bet Palantir's going up. There was some really good news coming out for Palantir. Yeah, there we go. 20.93. I was also bearish on Palantir, but Palantir got some really good news, so that saved it. If it wasn't for that good news, it would have gone down. There was something with the vaccines being traced with Palantir software. It came out today, I believe. It was like right before market open or right after market open. I don't know. But also Palantir looking quite overextended. Let me check. Yeah, oh my god, look at that. It was about to go down, and then you see that the news has so much impact on the technicals. It's going to be a brief example. We're going to go to the daily for NEO very soon. But this is just an example of how the news can affect the technicals. This was clearly going to go down just like that. But because of the news, bam, we went upwards. It didn't even matter what the technicals were doing. Once the fundamentals change, the technicals change. So I keep repeating. But yeah, we'll do Palantir very soon. Okay, so I think something similar happened right there. It was going to go bearish, but then the army contract came and Palantir flew to the upside. Alright, so a NEO. Palantir is going to be after the NEO analysis. So keep that in mind. 54.8. Yeah, this is nice number to be topping out at, honestly. Around the 55. I think 55 could be nice. 55, 56. Yeah, definitely. But we'll see what happens, right? There we go. No, I don't think NEO is going to rise until NEO Day. No way. There's not enough capital. There's not enough hype. Not enough volume. It won't do that. I highly doubt that. I think there's a 99.9% chance it won't rise until NEO Day. Because NEO Day is 1 month and 20 days away. It's a lot of time. And we know that NEO is very volatile, so a lot can happen in a brief period of time for NEO. So there's no way it's going to do that. What I think could happen, I think if there's going to be a correction, it's going to be very soon, like I said. And NEO Day is, well, I can better show you this on the daily chart. Okay, so now we are looking at the daily chart for NEO stock. What I believe could possibly happen is that we're topping out very soon. We're going to crash down rapidly, right? This is going to be a very rapid crash. We've seen this before. It's going to be a bearish candle to approximately 46 to maybe even $45. Then after this crash, we'll see a bump to the upside to maybe 50 and then come down again to approximately $42. See another bump, and we'll just go down in this fashion to about 38. We'll see some consolidation and go up again, create another top, and come down all the way to, I would say, 35 to the low $30, right? We're going to bottom out here. I'm just going to be conservative. $25 could happen if the whole market would go down. Yeah, it could happen. Let's just say it's not going to happen if we're neutral. And we're going to see a quick rise, top out again, and then rise all the way. Hold on, I drew this a little bit wrong. Let's just say something like that. And then we go up drastically. We go up drastically for NEO Day. Something like that. Yeah. Oh, that looks actually amazing. That is what I was thinking all the time. So there will be a bearish channel downwards. There's going to be a lot of selling. Obviously, the top can be a bit, 55, 56. It's around that range, a couple dollars above maybe. Or now, it depends on the market condition and news and stuff. And we'll see a big correction before NEO Day happens. And then NEO Day is going to be such a big catalyst. We're just going to skyrocket, right? So these would be buying opportunities right there, I would say, at the $40 and the $35, $36, and to maybe $33, $32 if we even reach there. There could still be a possibility. But yeah, the reason I'm saying we're going to go bearish is that we're in the overbought zone, right? The overbought zone is usually not a place where you want to sit if you want to hold a stock. You want to sit right there because then there's lots of room to go to the upside. Also, the MACD does look like it's going to come down just like that before going up again. So I would say this would be a rather realistic approach of where things are heading for NEO stock. Probably going to come down gradually, just like that, before seeing an upsurge again. And yeah, that would be very healthy. You know, it's not too crazy. $25 could be reached if like everything is bearish. Obviously, I don't think that necessarily has to happen, but it could happen. We have a good consolidation here at this range, very strong support, so why not? I would say these would be nice buying opportunities. All right, let's go to the 30 minutes now. Okay, oh boy. There we go, there we go, there we go. Hold on, guys. Somebody said they should have listened to Stockmo. Actually, Stockmo is bearish on NEO in the short term. I watched this video, so I don't know about that. I also watched Stock Guru, and I watched what was it? Money in Motion. They were all quite bearish on the short term, so I would be very careful. I also watched Meet Kevin. He was bearish on the short term, and that was after I was bearish on it. So this means that I was first. But I wanna just repeat this one more time. It's not about being right or wrong. It's about making money, right? Right now, yeah, we were wrong for the short term, right? I still believe the bearish trend is intact. I don't think it's gonna go away. This is not gonna go away just like that. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see if this uptrend is gonna remain alive. Yeah, I also follow these YouTubers, obviously. I watch their videos every now and then. It's cool guys, you know. And we're on the same page on the short term, so that's great. Obviously, Neo is pretty nice for the long term, so. Palantir is skyrocketing because there was good news. My bearish prediction, I will still make a bearish prediction for Palantir as well, because it's just, I have to be realistic. Palantir went up almost 150%, so we have to remain realistic. I will also probably say that if there's good news coming out for Palantir, it's going to go up another 10%, so that could be the case. Hold on 1 second, guys. Oh, it's power hour, yeah? Oh, cool. Neo sitting at those levels. Hold on. Wait, I'm seeing some people that are really offensive. 1 second. It's that I don't have moderators in here. Some people really are like I don't know what to say about it. They have some really strong emotional connection to certain stocks, and it's just they can't let that go. Which in my opinion, that's it's not necessarily the best thing if you want to make money. You need to be able to be detached from what you're buying. But that's my opinion, eh? I'm making a lot with trading, and it's working so far. Yeah, I mean, this is it just does look like we're about to just rapidly go down. All right, you know what? I think on the 30 minutes, Neo, it does look like we're about to most likely bounce off again. I cannot say that this is going to go down rapidly right away. We need a trigger. If there's a trigger, then yes, we'll go down. But I think what's going to happen is we're going to bounce again on the MACD, and then go up, and then go down. So this could potentially look a little bit like this. Hold on. Like this. Surge again, and then go down. So, yeah. That's what I think could happen potentially. So another upturn, and then just rapidly, really fast, go down to the 48. See some consolidation to the downside, go up again, and then go down again, just like that. something like this would be very possible. It's going to get really bearish really fast because obviously we're at really high valuations. MACD is going to go up again, come down, etc. RSI probably going to stay like that. And just go down. All right, I think NIO looking bullish on the short-term frame. I would not buy NIO for this little blip to the upside. Let's just say it that way. I would say that we'll have another top, and we're going to go down. So the bearish thesis is still intact. It's just delayed a little bit because of the fundamentals changing briefly due to the fact that the S&P 500 inclusion for Tesla is meaning that the EV market is probably going to grow larger, which means that the piece of the pie that NIO has of the EV market is going to grow larger, which is pretty much going to be making the stock go up, even though that the stock price right now is overvalued. So it's what it is. Sometimes those things happen. This doesn't happen very often. We have many analyses with NIO where we were actually correct. It was a while ago, though, I gotta say. But yeah, there's just news coming out after news after news. We were correct about this downturn. We were correct about this upturn. We were correct about us going to $50. I would say once we got around to this point, this was when the S&P 500 inclusion happened, I think, somewhere around here. Things really started to fall off a cliff. But NIO didn't, right? So I think NIO will fall off a cliff very soon, and I think selling right here would be wiser than buying. But soon there will be many buying opportunities, so look forward to that. And yeah, I think this was it for the NIO analysis, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out the social media. The link is down below, and you can also check out the Discord server, join the community. That'll be awesome. Link is there. And the Patreon, if you want to show some love, will be down below as well. This was Lucid Trading. I hope you have a very great Monday, and I'll be seeing you very soon. All right, so that was NIO. I think we're going to do Palantir right after. So if we could just do that real quick. One second. Oh, NIO. Why do you go up so much? My whole portfolio is burning. It's just I don't know what to say. Look at me. Look at my facial expression. I'm not sad. I am not necessarily happy. I am neutral, despite my portfolio being down. That's how it's supposed to be, right? I've had many occasions where my portfolio was down a significant amount. I didn't do anything, and it went up a significant amount. So, generally speaking, what the biggest mistakes people make is that when they have a thesis, they do not act it out. They sell out when it goes wrong halfway. But generally speaking, if you have a thesis and you really believe in it and it actually makes sense, it will probably come true. And it might take a little time, but usually it does come true. And if it does come true, then obviously having a stop loss is nice. You don't want to lose everything. But sometimes, things go bad. Stocks don't only go up, or short positions don't only generate you more money. Sometimes it goes the opposite way. And the only thing you can do then is to remain calm and rational, which is exactly what I'm doing right now, and what I always do when I'm down. And I am down very frequently, but it's always temporary, and then it goes up, and then I'm winning. So you have to turn those positions where you're losing into winning positions by remaining calm, remaining rational, maybe add a little bit more. So yeah, because you can dollar cost average to the downside, to the upside. Both is possible if you're going long or short. Only thing that's really important is that your thesis is correct. If it's not correct, then, well, buckle up. Alright, so Palantir, one of my favorite stocks. Look, whoa! Oh my gosh! I can't be bearish on that, right? I think I don't necessarily have to be bearish. I'm just going to look at the technicals. If the technicals are good, then I should be positive on this. But yeah, I will definitely mention, like, hey, there was fundamental news coming out. Palantir going through the 17.85%. Remember, I told you guys at $8, at $9, at $10, guys, Palantir is going to go to $30. You want to get into this. And look at that. We're going up to the moon. Alright, so, yeah. Damn, that's just amazing. I do think we're looking kind of overextended, though. Yeah. Yeah, that does a lot. Yeah, I mean, what can I say about this? We're overbought. So, when was the last time that we topped out? That's right here. We crashed 20%. So 20% would mean that we would go to approximately $17. That could be the case. I mean, why not? How much did we crash here? 17 to approximately. Yeah, that's very likely actually that we're gonna see such a correction. But maybe the upside. There's more upside to this, right? That could be the possible case. And it's really bullish, overbought on the 4 hours. Let's just check the daily right now, honestly. Overbought. MACD is, let's just say that the MACD is looking quite overextended. But it's a rather new stock, so it's really hard to analyze Palantir in the first place. So, like I keep saying. Yeah, we can't even see the weekly, so makes it very, very tough. We have to do with recent information. Yeah, that does look like a very overextended move on the RSI. Yeah, have we been here before? Yeah, I think we're gonna top out, just like we did there. Potential 10% correction, 10 to 20% correction coming up for Palantir, which is exactly the amount that we went up. So if it wasn't for the positive news that came out for Palantir, we would have gone down, because the correction is going to be the same size as, well, this move to the upside or more. So yeah, we could also move sideways. I mean, that could be a possibility, right? Could it be? It could. But yeah, I just keep going back to the, like, if Palantir doesn't have news, then it will not go sideways. It will go down. So having a catalyst is important, and we don't have one. Next earnings is going to be like, yeah, we don't even know that yet, do we? What is this? It's just far away. Way too far away. Alright, so I think I'm going to take a quick break. I'll be changing the title and the thumbnail for the video. Obviously, we'll have to do that. And then we're going to start the Palantir analysis right away. So stay tuned. I'll be back in a second. We're going to do the Palantir analysis, and then after that, we're probably going to do AMD and Apple, and we'll see where we will go from there. All right? So I will see you in a moment. Okay, cool. Mic is on now. Guys, I think there could be a 20% correction to maybe 25% correction coming very soon. I don't think we're going to go sideways. I don't think we're going to go up much, much longer. Obviously, this move for Palantir, this was good news. I can only say that because it's just very apparent that it was good news. I'm gonna have to check the live chat real quick and see if the thumbnail has changed at all. All right. So, why is Apple going down? Very interesting. Apple's going down super much. I think there was news coming out about Apple that was really negative. Something with sales decreasing. I don't know. I don't want to bother with that right now. Yeah, there's competition coming for Apple stock. Might be Palantir, might be something else. Obviously, Apple and Palantir do two different things. But they are in the tech space. Okay, so yeah, I could see a correction coming very soon. Probably today. Probably right now. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Is this it? Are we literally falling off a cliff before I do the analysis? No friggin' way. It could be it though. Could come back down all the way. Please don't be it. I need to make my video. But yeah. I'm gonna just quickly check if the thumbnail is changed. Everything is fine. Yeah, I'm about to do the Palantir analysis. So, let's just say that. Yeah, this is definitely gonna correct quite an amount. Let's just keep it that way. I would say at least 10%, probably more, like 20 to 25%. It's not going to go back to $16. Maybe longer term. Maybe like a month from now. But after this good news, I cannot say that this is going to go to 16. Actually, wait, never mind. Yeah, maybe. Depends. It depends. 16 is right here, right? Yeah, it could happen. Yeah, it could definitely happen. Doesn't have a very strong support here. Well, here it does actually. 17.8. See if everybody joined the live stream. Give me 1 sec. Hey guys. I think a lot of new people joined. Okay, so we're going to do the analysis for Palantir. I think I'm gonna have to refresh the live stream to see the new thumbnail. Yeah, okay, so I think it should be fine now. Oh yeah, the correction is starting. So unfortunate. I was gonna do a video about it. Like, hey guys, it's about to correct, but it's already starting to correct, so hopefully it doesn't go down too much. Alright, so guys, I'm going to start right now. Okay. There we go. Cool. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be analyzing Palantir Stock. This is going to be the daily analysis on the first day of the week. This is going to be the 23rd of November. And yeah, I mean, what can I say? We said we would go bearish. Well, we had a huge upswing. Now, before you say anything, there was good news coming out for Palantir Stock. Basically, the U.S. government is going to use Palantir software potentially for the vaccine tracking and whatnot, which was incredibly bullish because that's going to be a very big project for the U.S. It's going to earn a lot of money for Palantir and recognition and etc. So that is why our technical analysis didn't pan out, or at least in the short term. I think obviously it's understandable if the fundamentals change, then the technicals change. So that's why we're right now going upwards. This was unpredictable, so we could have not predicted this with the technicals. However, we can now predict what's going to happen if pretty much we go on from here without any other interference. And keep in mind, if there's news coming out that's bullish, then stocks will go up. If it's very bearish, stocks go down. Generally speaking, that's the case, right? So yeah, let's just start with the 30 minutes right away. So I would say there's a correction going on. Obviously, this is you can see this on the RSI. We're very overbought at the moment. We're probably going to correct downwards just like that. This could be a tiny correction, or this could be a rather large correction to potentially even $17.8. Now we're going to see if that's going to be the case, if it's a large or small one. We don't know this yet. We do see that the MACD is overextended. Usually around this MACD, we do come back down. So I would say 30 minutes right now is looking like we're topping out and we're going down. We hit the 21.46 as a top, and I would say that would be that's a nice top. You know, we said we would go to approximately $20 and then go down, and that happened. However, we had a skyrocketing to 21.5 because of some really good news. Palantir went up almost 20% today. So, all right, I think it's time to be looking at the 1 hour. 1 hour's coming up. Hold on, checking if cool. 1 hour. Yeah, so far, whenever we get the analysis wrong, it's usually because of fundamentals changing. So the technicals in itself are pointing somewhere, and it will go there unless something changes about the fundamentals, which I mean, it happens quite often. So, but if it doesn't happen, usually we have it correct, like with Tesla, or like where we predict the fundamentals. I think I should do that more often. This is the 1 hour, right? 1 hour does look like... Nah, it looks like it's about to come down. Definitely. Hold on. I'm checking, wow, okay, so NEO is chilling at like, what is it? $55? Something like that? It's crazy. Alright. Okay, so now we're looking at the 1 hour for Palantir stock, and obviously I see like this is definitely going to be coming back down. You see that the MACD is topping out. It's pretty much going to come down from here. The RSI is overbought. We've previously topped out several times at this RSI. Generally speaking, we don't go up much more. If it does go up much more, it doesn't really. Like, honestly, this is pretty much it. We've topped out. We're going to see a correction unless some fundamental news comes out. This could pretty much come down just like that, bottom out, and then go up again. So that would be, in my opinion, the most realistic analysis for Palantir stock on the 1 hour, because obviously we had so much good news, right? So much good news. We already searched so much. We had earnings, we had everything. Now there's no catalyst until there is. If there's a catalyst, then obviously we're going to go up another 5 to 10%. But I can't see the future. I don't know what kind of catalyst that would be. But for now, I would say is most likely priced in everything, and potential 10 to 20% downturn would be inbounds for Palantir stock. So that wouldn't be too surprising, and then we would see another upturn just like that. And from there, we could see where we could go. We either go down if there's still bearishness left, if the markets are negative, or we go up. I think it's more likely that we would go down because the stock market itself is like kind of overextended as well. So I would say that. Now, I think it would be time to be taking a look at the 4 hours. So let's head over to the 4 hours now. Bam. Bam. All right, 4 hours. Oh, that's just crazy. Twice the bearishness was declined because of good news. So that does happen, you know. Hold on. It's almost market close. Interesting. I want to just briefly check the NEO real quick. Okay. About to go bearish. What is Xpeng doing? Wow. Mind-boggling. We even moved this. This was there. We moved it there. Like, okay, maybe it's gonna go down now. It's up 30%. What the hell? That is crazy. What? I think this will see a massive correction. You cannot rationalize this. You just can't. It's kind of impossible to do that. But yeah, this is a short-term surge. You can see this in the daily chart as well. Yeah, I mean, honestly, is there a daily chart? Yeah, I mean, there has not been a, like, Jesus Christ, 30% up. I think NEO is up then as well, right? 12%, and it just does not stop. It just keeps going. Wow. I have no words. The markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So I recommend not shorting this too much. But if you do short it in small amounts, dollar cost average, etc. Taking a look at Tesla real quick. Well, Tesla's doing fine. Sweet baby Jesus. I mean, I think we're gonna see a correction, like we said. We'd see a correction, yeah. I did say that. Now we've seen many corrections, so the correction could be big, like we've seen right there. $50. $50, guys. Oh my gosh. $50 to about approximately $30. Imagine if Tesla goes down $50, what's going to happen to NEO? If Tesla goes down 10%, I think NEO is going to go down 30%. Mark my words. Mark it. It's going to go down to the $42, $40, somewhere around there. We're waiting for that correction on Tesla, though. But who knows? You know, maybe it's going to be a small correction. I don't know. Palantir. Alright, so, Yeah, Palantir. Were we on the 4 hours? Did we do the 4 hours? I don't think so. There's 10 minutes left until market close. I think the Neo price going up like that is maybe even a short squeeze or something. Could be the case, maybe. I don't know how many percentage, what the percentage of like Neo is short, but it could be quite an amount. Nah, it couldn't be, because Neo's up like 12% or something. Never mind. Makes no sense. Okay. Alright, so looking at the 4-hour chart for Palantir, I do see that this could definitely be topping out real fast and then coming back down just like that. This could mean that we could see a sharp downturn to 19.7, then all the way down to about $18 where there would be a support, maybe even to 17.9 before seeing a bump to the upside to $19, then going down to approximately 17.7, and if we breach that, we could go down all the way to the $16. So keep in mind, this could look very bearish. The reason I'm saying this is that the MACD is very extended, the RSI is overextended, so this could go down just like that as well, and then we could see a bounce after. So that could be the case for the end of this week, that we hit the $16. I am still bearish on it because the MACD is looking quite negative, so that's why. We're now starting to come down just a little bit, but Palantir is probably going to bottom out at the 16, not at the 15. That would be rather weird. I think it's going to bottom out, and it's just gradually going to go upwards again and probably move sideways for a while, and we'll see where it goes. Obviously, if there's fundamental news coming out that is good, Palantir will go up despite the analysis. If there's bad news, then it goes down despite the analysis. So let's go to the 30 minutes now. Damn. Neo short position is burning. Oh man, it's I don't know. It's okay. I've seen worse things happen. Honestly, I once went short on Tesla when I was like 19 or something. It was like the worst decision of my life. I literally lost everything. Alright, now looking at the 30 minutes, I think what's going to happen is most likely we'll see, I think we'll see a correction just like that happen, and we'll just go down approximately to the $20 to approximately 19.6, and then gradually go down to the $19. We could see a bit of resistance there, but it's not going to hold up. We're going to go down all the way to the $18, which we see a strong resistance here. So we could see some sideways movement just like that, but then come down to the $17 all the way. Now, this is going to be relevant. Obviously, we're going to do many videos about Palantir, so we're just going to be looking at this area for now. I think the MACD could go up and then come back down just like that and just move downwards. So I think it's going to look quite bad for the short term, and we're going to see some RSI going to the oversold almost, just like that, and then we'll hit the oversold very briefly. I think Palantir has had a great run. I think there will be a short-term correction, and if there's no more fundamental news coming out, this will most likely be a similar pattern to what I think would be happening for Palantir stock. And the key levels obviously would be, I think, around the 19.6 to $20. And I think here at the $19, that would be a nice point to maybe buy a tiny amount. At this level, definitely want to buy some more at $18. And if we go down to $17, that could be another buying opportunity as well. And here we could see a brief bounce before we go to $16 if the bearishness continues. So this would be my Palantir stock analysis, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. I would really appreciate that. We got social media. We have Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Links are down below in the description. Check it out. If you want to join the community, you can do this as well. There is a Discord link down below in the description. And if you want to donate and get many benefits like early access and counseling and buy and sell signals, then you can do this as well. There's a Patreon link in the description too. So guys, I hope you have a very nice day. This was Lucid Trading, and I'll be seeing you very soon. Okay, so that was the Palantir video. I think we're obviously going to take a quick break. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy. I want to just look at NEO right now. Markets are going to close in like 5 minutes, so... Yeah, I mean, it's higher on the RSI than this. The MACD is... I'm quite speechless. Yeah, I mean, it should be crashing very soon. But... We'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, the 5 minutes looking quite bullish. Yeah. Hold on. Wait, what is the SPY doing? Yeah, I mean, I don't know, guys. I'll be careful. Apple's getting slaughtered. It's getting slaughtered. Absolutely slaughtered. What do I say? It's just bearishness after bearishness. But we do have a clear trend line. So I would say bottom out at maybe $11 or $12. So, I mean, not looking that bad. Alibaba. What did we draw again? Oh yeah, that was a trend line. Yeah, I said that we'd go up like quite a lot. And yeah, we are going up quite a lot, so cool. Very nice. Yeah, I think you want to get into this. There's much more upside left. Much more upside left there. Hold on, guys. checking the live chart real quick. Okay, so the markets are going to close. I'm going to check Tesla, obviously. Already starting to come down a bit. Yeah, but this is not going to be a significant downturn. Will it be a significant downturn? No. It's just going to consolidate, just like we said. Just consolidate at this level. But you know, I did say that. Let's just look at this chart real quick. Hold on, guys. Is the market closed? Oh yeah, cool. So we ended up at the price tag of 521.7. Cool. Interesting. It's really nice. We went up 6.5%. NEO went up 12.7%. Jesus. That's insane. That is after going up. Wow, that's just insane. From this point, from the $40 that we went to after this correction, 40.5, that is approximately like 30% upside in about a week time. So how many $billion is that? It's like an insane amount. Like 15 to $20 billion added to the market cap. Just like that. It's okay, you know, it happens. I think they definitely deserve it on the short term. But they also deserve a correction. So that's my opinion. I would say that the SPY could get more negative down the road. Today, I expected consolidation, which is exactly what happened. So I would say be careful, guys. This might come down a bit. If we could load the 30 minutes. Yeah, I mean, this could come down just a bit before going up. And this could be the reason why I think NEO and other EV makers might drop down quite significantly, because the market might go down for a brief correction. But yeah, that would be it, guys. This was the live stream. I hope you enjoyed this live stream. I will also upload Workhorse and AMD and those. I'll do this very soon, but I have to upload the videos that I did in this live stream, which will take some time, and it will take so much time that I cannot be continuing this live stream. However, I'll be uploading those videos later on, or I maybe will be going live later on. So I'll just let you know. If you want to know this, then obviously subscribe to the channel. You'll be notified when I go live or when I upload a video. And yeah, guys, I just really hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. And check out the social media. Links are down below. Discord link is down below in the description as well. And if you want to donate and show some love and get many benefits for that, then there's a Patreon link in the description as well. Guys, I hope you have a very nice day, and I'll be seeing you very soon, either in one of the videos or the live streams. So, Lucid Trading out, and see you soon.